Tubes, another episode of What a Way, What a Pay. Hey, do yourself a favor, don't get old. So I'm feeling it today, I don't know why. We got these, and the back of the truck isn't very full. There was a fridge back there for my sister, but now I'm holding it for about a week, just in case her warranty shit needs the fridge. So, Scott. Not sure how they got that on there. Maybe we'll just skip it. I was gonna get one of these tires off. That was very weird. I was looking to see a C-clip, but I don't think I feel like goofing with that. It said it was a parts tractor, so never did check for a gas tank. Nothing there. I'm assuming the gas tank would have been somewhere else then. Should be good. No gas tank. I don't see a gas tank. That's a plus. No gas. Tubes, onward to the scrapyard. This has been another episode of What a Way, What a Pay. Not seeing. I'm assuming the fuel tank was right there, but looks like the battery went there too. Or it was up here. Onward.